Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be sharing with you a few ways that I refreshed my family room and my living room area. So the sectional that you see here in my family room, I don't think that it actually goes with my style anymore, but because it is so comfortable and everyone loves to come and sit on it, and I don't want to make this room feel like you can't sit down, so I am holding on to it. So the way that I'm kind of sprucing it up to make it look a bit more stylish is by adding all these pretty fluffy pillows and using the colors blush pink and ivory and kind of just filling the whole sofa up with a lot of pillows. It's really made a difference in the look of it. So I also finally found a large rug that fit this space. I wanted something that was going to be neutral, that regardless to what color palette I used, it would go with my decor. So the Dior book is a DIY, and I will link that video down below on DIY designer books in the description box. So I wanted to fill my basket up with pretty pillows, and I picked this blush pink pillow up from Target. It was part of the Project 62 line, and I absolutely love it. I love how it has that blend of blush and ivory all in one. Now, not much changed for my bookcase aside from me adding this pink candle down here and that vase next to it to kind of flow with everything. Now, some of the items that I'm using down here in my family room, I did grab from upstairs in my guest bedroom because I already had blush pink in that space and no one is currently in there. So I did shop my house before I went out and bought new items. In my living room, I added a few black accent pieces to my table and my sofa. I didn't want to put a whole lot of black in here because I still want to leave this room pretty neutral, but I do like the accents that I currently have. So instead of doing DIY designer books, I thought it'd be nice to add the places that I have been instead, with the exception of Italy that is next on my list. And then these black accent pieces were not in my home decor haul. I purchased both of these items from Burlington and Ross. And I also found these gorgeous pillows. I love how they have that champagne and silver mix, which goes really good with the color of this sofa. So I added those to both ends of my sofa. And then the black fuzzy pillow that you guys saw previously, I just stuck it in the bag because I didn't want the black to be overpowering. So I added the white one in front of it, and I like the mix. It's just like a little bit of hint of black. And there will be more changes and additions made to this space. It's just going to gradually take me time to do it. I want to switch out this chandelier, definitely. I'm thinking of adding drapes, but I want to make sure that I stick with a neutral color in doing so. And maybe an area rug, but for now, this is what this space will look like. So I hope you all enjoyed my refresh. I did not do a whole lot. It wasn't a makeover. I just added new colors and accent pieces to my space. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.